Hi everybody, Dr. Baumholtz, Baumholtz Plastic Surgery, and today I want to briefly talk about a procedure known as a Monsplasty. And so this will be a very stick figure-esque drawing that I'm going to sort of talk through and explain what it is that we're talking about. For us, Monsplasty is often a portion of a tummy tuck where we look at the tissue that lives beneath or below the incision and above the genital area. And so for a lot of folks coming for tummy tuck, that area above the genital area can be full, thick, extra, hanging, bunch of different words to describe it. And so what we'd like to do is not just thin it out in terms of the thickness of the tissue, that can often be accomplished with liposuction, but we'd like to do something with the extra skin. And how do we do that? Well, I'm going to describe one way that I tend to approach a Monsplasty. And so what we've got here are the legs, and again, a stick figure representation. And then we've got the incision, right, for the tummy tuck, and then we've got this extra fullness here. And so a Monsplasty can look like this, where we decide how wide we want the area above the genitals to be, in this case the vagina, and we then will make two wedge excisions so that in those triangles the tissue is removed. Now this incision will fall in the natural groin crease on either side, but the idea is it takes the tissue and stretches it away, so that by removing that little wedge of tissue, you can do what I described, which is to flatten and smooth out the mons with two relatively inconspicuous incisions, again, that follow the groin crease. We typically do this in conjunction with a tummy tuck, but it can certainly be done alone, especially if someone's already had a tummy tuck, often elsewhere. They come back, they're not happy with what was done with that area, what wasn't done with that area, and so the Monsplasty can be a standalone procedure in that scenario. I hope that shed some light on this topic, which we get asked more and more about. If you'd like to know more, if you think you might be a candidate for this, by all means come and visit here at Baumholtz Plastic Surgery. Dr. Baumholtz, have a great day.